Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to uninstall the Windows 11 update KB5066835 in case it's causing issues or errors on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Windows Update on the left sidebar. Once you're in the Windows Update section, click on Update History. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Click on Uninstall Updates. This will open a list of installed Windows updates on your system. In the list, locate Update KB5066835. Click on Uninstall next to it. A confirmation window will appear. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Windows will now remove the update and any related files. Wait for the process to finish. Once done, restart your PC to complete the uninstallation. After your system reboots, KB5066835 will be completely removed, and that's it. You've successfully uninstalled the KB5066835 update from Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.